OpenAI just pulled off a major talent grab that could shake up the AI startup world. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video.
I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Friday, January 16th, 2026.
Thinking Machines loses two key co-founders, CTO Barrett Zoff and Luke Metz, back to OpenAI after misconduct claims hit Zoff. This is already the third co-founder exit in under a year, with new CTO Sumit Chintala stepping in. Cursor's hundreds of AI coding agents autonomously built a web browser from scratch, spanning over 3 million lines of code in less than a week. This breakthrough highlights how multi-agent AI collaboration is rapidly revolutionizing software development.
OpenAI leads a whopping $252 million seed round investing in Merge Labs, co-founded by Sam Altman. Merge Labs aims to boost brain-computer interface tech using non-invasive ultrasound and AI to decode brain signals for seamless human-AI interaction. ByteDance just dropped SeedFold, an open-source protein folding AI that outperforms Google's AlphaFold 3. Enhancements like a wider pair-former architecture make it the new heavyweight in computational biology breakthroughs. Airbnb scores a major AI hire, bringing Ahmad Al-Dali from Meta's generative AI team as CTO. He led the Llama model family and will drive Airbnb's push to embed AI deeply into travel search and e-commerce. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about which AI move surprises you most. In the comments, give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.